There is no value in using happy sounding words when in fact you do not feel happy inside. Namaste everyone, welcome to the day 5 of our 22 days challenge in raising your vibrations with me. Now imagine you're driving a car and there's an indicator in your car which shows whether your fuel is up or your fuel tank is empty. Now what if you paste a happy sticker, a smiling sticker on top of the fuel tank indicator and it shows a smiling face all the time. Whether your tank is empty, whether it's full, irrespective of that, it shows a smiling face. But that's not what you want to do, right? When the tank is empty, you need to know that you're going to change the status and fill it up. That's exactly what we are going to do. Similar to the very first video that we saw, this video too talks about the feeling place. It talks about finding our feeling place. So whatever we are living right now carries a vibrational weight. Now whether this is how we want to vibrate or not is what we are going to look in this video. Judge ourselves for how we are vibrating, how we are choosing to feel, and choose wisely. Now often people say that I wish I were there. I'm not happy over here. But when these people are asked, what is it about there that you like so much? They do not answer about that, but they instead talk about, why am I here? It doesn't feel good over here. I want to get out of here. This is all that they would talk about. Which means, in the present moment, you are vibrating at a much lower frequency. You desire to vibrate at a higher frequency, which is over there. But right here, you are not. You're feeling that lack. You're feeling that want of being there and unhappiness of being here. This video about finding your feeling place is most helpful in making sure that you're radiating at a vibration that you seek and that will serve you. Because in this process, you will realize what is it that you're actually attracting to yourself. Now if you say that I'm not happy here, I'm attracting more of not happy because that's the frequency I have tuned into. But instead, if you offer a frequency of how you would feel over there, you would then start vibrating at a higher frequency, isn't it? And therefore, this process invites you to imagine as if you're already there. Now, I'm not a big fan personally of imagination. It is one of the kleshas as per yoga. However, according to Jerry and Esther Hicks, and in this famous book that works wonders and has solved many people's lives, it says that you imagine as if you are already there. So if you feel lack of money right now, you're not liking this debt that you have in your life right now. Instead of being here, transform yourselves into feeling there and imagine as if you are already debt free. That you have loads of money in your bank account, that you have loads of cash under your bed, under your carpet. You have all of this that you can't handle and that you are wanting to change that cash into larger bills, the $10, $20 bills into $100 bills, which is much manageable, and you're paying your debts away or you've already paid your debts away, you're living the life of your dreams, you have a yacht, you have a fancy car. That is the feeling. You don't necessarily have to fake it and start investing or buying these things when especially you can't afford it. But the idea is to start feeling that you already have it all. tap into that feeling and feel that. And that's the frequency you start vibrating in, and money just follows. So why not take the benefit of our imagination, use it to our benefit instead of imagining all the other stuff that our mind keeps going on and on with. Why not create that vibrational frequency we want to be in? For example, feeling healthy. If you are not feeling healthy right now, imagine how it was when you were healthy. How did you feel then? And start feeling that way. What all were you doing? All the pleasures that you were finding in doing so, being that way, and start attracting the same level frequency. The healing will follow. It is all about allowing. The word allow is very important in the universe's dictionary. It doesn't really understand want, desire, need, all these are lack terms. This whole jargon is coming from a space of lack. All you have to be, you just have to be at a higher frequency, imagining, not imagining, creating, controlling with your self energies as is done in yoga, being at that frequency which allows the universe to come fulfill all that you innately want to manifest in your life, or even that you deserve so much. The universe doesn't discriminate between whether your want is too big, is too small, is too right, is too wrong. None of that. If you are vibrating at a frequency, feeling a certain way, the gifts of the universe follow. So you know the trick now. Apply it to an area of your life, be it money, be it health, be it a relationship, be it the life partner that you want to attract in your life, be it all the projects that you want to implement, all the amazing clients you want to attract in your life, and so on and so forth. Whatever it be, just be at a frequency as if you're enjoying all of this already. Hope you have liked and understood and benefited some way or the other by listening to this video and understood the ways of the universe. Let us implement and let us gain from the wisdom of the universe, the gifts of the universe, the abundance of the universe. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked watching this, please click on the like button, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button right there. Hit the bell icon to keep you posted on all my upcoming amazing videos that I will be churning out day after day for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you very, very much. Mwah.